Hello guys, welcome back. So if you want to know what happens after Sophia script run, so let me just show you. First you will notice that all the bloatwares are gone, so nothing is here, but there are some things that will be come with the script. So to know that, just go to start button and go to Windows Administrative Tools, scroll down and go to Task Scheduler, maximize the window. Just open the task scheduler library. Here you see some tasks are already present here, which you can disable anytime. Just right click and disable, right click, disable. And there is one more folder you can see, Sophia script. This Sophia script creates some tasks which will schedule to run when your Windows run. So if you want to see which task does what, so just right click on any task and run. It is a cleanup notification like this. So this run task to clean up Windows unused files and updates. So this task will run another task which is Windows cleanup, and you can run it from here or you can dismiss this. So if you want to run, just hit run. This will open a new PowerShell window and the task is completed. Like that, there are so many tasks on this task is completed, and this cleanup next task is started, because the first one is the notification and the second one is the actual task. So it will now clean my disk. And one more thing to notice, that this task will trigger every 30 day, and the second task will trigger every 60 day, and this task will trigger every 90 days. So this script brings these four things. Let's just wait and let it complete. If you want, you can get the search icon here. Just right click, go to search. You can hide also, and you can put it also as an icon. I would like to keep the search icon there. So until this task is finished, I will pause the video and I will join you later. Just wait for a few minutes. Hello. As you can see, the first task is completed. So now let's see what the second task does. So just hit run. The temp folder successfully cleaned up. So just close this. Now this folder, just run. So it just run. All this task is just to clean up some Windows space. Like, let me show you. Go to File Explorer. Wait, let's just go to run and type temp. Let's go to run again, and this time just type percentage temp percentage, hit enter, and now just see what happens to these folders. When I run this temp task, all the files from these folders are cleaned. All the files from these temporary folders are cleaned, but we can do these manually also. So I will prefer to do it manually. So just I can disable these tasks. I can disable all these tasks because I will do all these things manually. I can clean everything. One more thing, don't try to delete anything from here because you cannot restore anything. Just disable it. And this task is running. I think, yes, this task is running. Software distribution. We can check software distribution folder from here. Just go to C drive, Windows, and search for software. Here is the software distribution folder. Just double click on it and you will see some whenever you update your Windows, some folders will be present here. And when you run the first this command, all the folders from all the downloads from this folder will be removed. Here is the software packages which will install when you update your Windows. And when you run this script, this will automatically remove all the pre-installed or all the updates which are already installed. This will remove everything from here. So I would like to do these things by myself. So I don't use any script to run on this, but just to show you, I ran it once. So don't worry, let it run. So these are the four just schedule tasks which get created when you complete your Sophia script. And if you want to keep them, you just keep them on enable state. And if you want to remove them, just like me, you can disable all of them. So that is it. And one more thing, after Sophia script run, you may see your file explorer just like this you can see. So now we can adjust it again. So just group by type and hide this window, and everything is set to normal. And that's it. This is the last step to complete Sophia script. If you want to keep those scheduled tasks, you can keep it, and if you want to remove those scheduled tasks, you can just disable it. And that was the last step. And after that, you can delete the Sophia folder from your desktop, and that rar file also, because it gets updated all the time, so no need to keep the older files. You can always download the latest files according to your Windows system. So yeah, that is the last thing. So if you like my content, just like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.